guys, so I am on my farm here. I've had this account for about a year at least, and I don't get it on that often. I'm not a very good farmer, to be honest. It's boring. But today I figured I would go through my bag and open up some of the junk that I have in it. Some of it's super old, doesn't exist anymore. Figured I'll just kind of like go down, clean it out. So, mini materials chest, cool. Creation materials chest, get those from the arena. I have pretzels, which were one of the first events out over a year ago, and then I think we just redid them not that long ago. And And then right now we're doing turkey, so these are current. So I got some gold, some other junk, some gears, gems. Nothing too crazy there. I don't even think I can equip any gems into anything. Because my equipment is junk. So I'll just leave that gemstone there. I have 51 chest. And 9 bonus chest. So 9 got me 18 rare material fragments. So that's like times 2. So that's pretty good right now. Level 5 Alliance gift. Beast claws. I have a feeling that is going to take my creation up a few levels because I don't really use it too much on here. Potentially even take up my airship. I don't know. Let's see if I can synthesize. I can synthesize 8 of these, and we can open 8 of them. Boom. Food. Silver speed ups. Cool. I got a pirate airship booty. Don't really know where that came from. It's in my bag though. So now I have 141 bounty parcels. Bunch of other junk. Oh, these never got used, so let's throw them out. So I'll put all these. Oop, no, didn't mean to go to armory. I guess at some point I got a victory stone. Victory stones are pretty hard to get. I mean, square stones in general are pretty hard to get. I guess I will go ahead and level this bad boy up as much as I can with the junk I have sitting in here. And one mistake I did make at one point was I had a stone embedded in one of my pieces of equipment, and it wasn't all the way leveled up. So it was basically sitting somewhere like this, but way higher. And I decided to unembed it and embed a different stone, and when I did do that, it ended up wiping this all the way back down to 0, so I lost quite a bit of work on that, so just be careful. I don't know if they fixed that or if that's still something that happens. It happened to me a couple months ago. I'm gonna go send my guys out to kill another one of those guys. So I got 1,400 gold from opening all that junk, so that's pretty cool. I think these will be in here forever. There's been quite a few updates in there still, sticking around. Okay, dun dun dun. So I leveled up my airship to 28. It's definitely a real force to reckon with. So the one thing I am starting to work on as of yesterday is I want to get my catacombs up to be to floor 55 if I can on here, so I can get double the food and rewards. But I just started this, so my creation still is wearing junky clothes. And on this account, whenever I get on it, I get on and I leave my guys on the second floor all the time, just because let's see if I can get anywhere with this. Guess not. I always go through and hit it like 4 or 5 times just to make sure that I can win if I can win. I'm gonna max her if I can. Get her as high as I can get her. Almost there. So, unless you have a decent amount of money that you've spent on the game, it's probably smartest to use Lady Silver as your guard for your weapons. If you look, I guess I don't have any of the purple guards on here, but she ends up giving you a 15% or a 17% troop attack once you get to her to 3 stars, and it's pretty easy to get her to 3 stars. Ooh, I got a fun chest to give to people. But you can go in here and buy fragments for the guards, or oh, I don't know why I clicked on that one. Hero store. And there you can buy all the colors that you need to, want to. So yeah, this is my farm in a nutshell. I really don't do anything special with it. It usually just sits here dead and dormant and whatever. This right here is my real base. The one that says King Brittany. That's me. Soon I'll be hopefully doing a video going from 28 to 30 all at once. I have enough money for 29 right now, and I believe enough money for my 29 wall. I just have to start saving for 30. So, hopefully that happens. And then I can join the Ugly Base Club. But yeah, thanks for watching me open up a bunch of junk. Hope you enjoyed it. Bye.